2 points.
Ito tayo, game. Game Undrafted versus Quiz Ballers. GK. Wala. Putback ni number 7. Shit. Quiz. Nasa kay Kurt. Number 13. Set up play. Nasa kay Jay. Drop si Kevin. Good. Set up play. Number 10. Good. 8. Turnover. Undrafted ball. Score natin. 2-1. Favor of Quiz Baller. Jel steal. Quiz. Drop kay number 13. Lays up. Basket. 1 point. Inbound ni Jel. Nasa kay GK. Corner. Basket. Wala. Rebound ni Mark. Dribble sa ball. Mark. Dinerecho. Nasa kay Jake. Nakuha ni Nit. Dinerecho. Lays up. Ibado. Rebound. Putback. Basket. 1 point. Kay Jake. Pinasa kay Kuy. Dinalik kay Jake. Baseline play kay Mark Kevin. Basket. 1 point. Score natin 4-2. Favor of Quiz Ballers. GK. Dinerecho. Drop. Turnover. Quiz Ballers ball. Inbound. Quiz. Dala ng bola. Nasa kay Jake. Kurt. Open 2. Tumira. Wala. Tapos. Undrafted ball. Inbound play. Jel, dala ng bola. Number 4. Baseline play. Number 10, Edwin. Drop, Ibado. Basket, 1 point. Naman pa rin ang Kuis na isa. 4-3. Jake, drop kay Kuis. Ilalim, huli. Nasa kay number 13. Nasa ulit kay Jake. Basket, baseline. 5-3 in favor of Quiz Ballers. Nasa kay Nick. Basket off the glass. As break play kay Kuis. Basket 1 point. 6-4. Jel set up play. Play kay Bado. Pinalik kay Jel. Set up play kay Jel. Nasa kay GK. Set up kay Mitt. Corner 3. Basket 2 points. All 6 ang score natin. Kurt, dadala ng bola, set up play. Drop kay AJ. Nasa kay Kuis. Open 2. Wala. Affect. Rebound ni Jel. Diretso ni Jel. Nasa kay GK. Step back. 2 points. Lamang na ng dalawa ang drafted. Set up play. Kurt. Number 13, Bigos the ball. Set up play, Jake, number 19. Mark Kevin, number 10. Nila, wala. Rebound ni Bado. Nasa kay Jel, si Bado. Wala. Rebound ni Mick. Basket, 1 point. Kuis, layup. Basket, 1 point. 9-7, lamang undrafted, dalawa. DK, 2 points. Wala. Rebound ni Kurt. Dribble sa ball. Kurt. Ganap ng sahan. Layup. Basket. 1 point. Isang lamang. Lamang ang tingang drafted ng 1 point. Set up play. DK. Number 0.
Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. The answer is
Mick.
halfway.
Range drop. Ibado. Rebound Ibado. Wala. Kuha ni Jake, pass break. Baseball pitch kay Kuis. Raise up, basket. All nine, all nine. Jen, Gibon, Turner, JK, wala. Rebound ni Bado. Offensive rebound. Jel, lalap ng set-upan. Jel, GK, nasa kay Mick, mid-range, wala. Rebound ni Bado. Basket, change court, change court. Change court, change court, change court. 0-9. Namang ang team undrafted na isa. 9-10. Oras natin, 14 minutes. 26 seconds. Kuy, tumira ng dos. Wala. Rebound ni Edwin. Pass to Jel. Jel, pinasa kay Nick. Side step. Basket, 1 point. Third set of play. Namang undrafted na 2 points. 11-9. Oras natin, 14 minutes. Kurt, naghanap ng papasahan. Tikuis, open 2. Basket. All 11. Nick, nadala ng bola. Diniretso. Drop kay Bado. Pull up. Basket, 1 point. Kuis, diniretso ang bola. Drop kay Mark Kevin. Agawan. Yung makakakuha. Mark Kevin pa rin. Wala. Offensive rebound. Huli. Good. Rebound ni Jen. Nasa kay GK. GK. Nagkakapapasahan. Steal by Kurt. Drop kay Mark Kevin. All alone. Layup. Basket. Score. Tied tayo. All 12. GK. Jen. Benji ball. Rebound. Juan Edwin. Number 10. Pasa kay Ibado. Rebound ni Jake. Diretso. Ace up. Basket. 1 point. Tamang tapos ballers na isa. Set up play with DK. Team undrafted. Nadala ng bola DK. Nasa kay mid. DK. Hanap ng papasahan. Ilalim, Edwin. Pass to G. Ujel. DK again. Wala. Rebound ni Jake. Reverse the ball. Reverse the ball. Jake, pinasa kay Mark Kevin. Easy, basket. Okay. 14-12, lamang na ng dalawa. Police ballers. Bola ng team undrafted. Oras natin, 12 minutes. 16 seconds. Corner 2. DK. Drop kay mid. Corner 2. Basket. All tayo, all 14. All 14, oras natin, 12 minutes. Exactly 12 minutes. Nadala ng bola, Kurt. Set up play. Naras ni Jen. AJ, pasa kay Mark Kevin. Mid-range, wala, rebound ni Bado. DK, nadala ng bola. Umiretso, layup. Foul. Foul ng foul. Oras natin, 11 minutes, 30 seconds. All 14 tayo, all 14. Mid, open. Pero i-inbound muna. Pass to Jel. Number 8. Drop to Edwin. Number 10. Pasa ulit ni Mid. Ganap na papasahan. Binalik ni Jel. GK, open 2. Wala. Rebound pa rin Mid. Side step in. Wala. Rebound ni Bado. Put back. Basket. 1 point. 15-14. Namang na. Undrafted na isa. Push. Diniretso. Na isa. Wala. Buha ni Jel. Jel. Dribbles the ball. Dribbles. Jel. Inasa kay Meet. Open. Basket. 2-point lead. Team undrafted. 16-14. 10 minutes. 40 seconds. Open. Kirk. Dos. Wala. Kapek. Naribon ni Bado. Set up play daw. Pinasa kay Jel. Jel. Dribbles the ball. Set up in play. Inside pass kay Edwin. Pero si set. Jel again. Long 2. Wala. Rebound ni Jake. Baseball pitch. Kicker. Number 13. All alone. Basket. 1 point. 1 point lead by team undrafted. 16 to 15. Number 8. Nagdala ng bola. Nit. Pinasa kay Bado. Number 117. Set up yung play. Pidget. Kay GK. Number 0. Long 2. Wala. Rebound ulit ni Bado. Nasa kay GK. Imit. Anong hatol? Anong hatol? Anong hatol? Sige, same ball daw. Sabi nito, same ball. Inbounding. Team undrafted boy. Ibang pa rin yung team undrafted ng 1 point lead. Nit, ganda ng bola. Pasok kay GK. Set up in play, GK. Inside pass, steal. Jake, nauna si Kurt. Pass break, Kurt. Binalik kay Jake. Pinasa ni Kurt. Basket. Deadlock tayo, all 16. All 16. Meron na tayo 9 minutes. Exactly. Dadala ng bola. Set up in play, screen, Edwin, steal, screen, init. Stepping through. Basket! They hit. Nauna ng 1 point lead again. Ng team undrafted. Jake, dadala ng bola. Pass to Kuis. Open 2. Wala. Nalog lang. Rebound. Basket kay Kuis Sari. All 17 tayo. All 17. Hit. Rebound the ball. Side stepping. Drop. Steal in number 10. Mark David. Rebound the boys. Reverse the ball. Set up yung play. Huli. Pero tumawag ng foul. Mark Kevin, number 10. Inbound tayo. Bola ng first ballers. Same ball. Jake, inbound the ball. Pasok kay Kuis. Set up yung play. Jake. Ball. Nakaras ni Jen. Side stepping. Wala. Rebound. Mark Kevin. Mid-range, basket. Naman na, first ballers yung isa. DK, nagdadala ng bola. Reballs, long 2. Wala. Pero na rebound ni Bado. Rebound ni Bado. Long 2 din. Wala, kapos. Rebound ni Mark Kevin. Number 10, rebounds the ball. Scarty ha. Scarty ni Mark Kevin. Striking through. Drop, nahuli ni Bado. Pass break to DK. Inside pass, Nick. Deflect ang bola. Same ball tayo. Deflected. Same ball.
Lamang kami?
Oo, hindi. Dito ka, diba? Lamang sila. Quick ballers lamang na isa. 18 to 17. Rebound. Edwin, number 10. Inside pass. Mid pass. Hit. Pinakuha. Naribang pa rin Bado. Push back. 1 point.
Tumutulong?
118. 118. Steal. Set up in play. DK again. Set up in play. Deadlock tayo. 118 ha. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Hit. Pasa kay GK. Open 2. Wala. Pero na-rebound pa rin ni Bado. Lakas ng offensive rebound doon. Give us the ball. Set up in play to Jel. Inside pass. Pero turnover yun. Pero na-steal ni Kuis. Kaya, same ball tayo, same ball. Last touch Kuis. Inbound ng undrafted.
Last 6 minutes.
Last 6 minutes. Inside pass. Edwin. Wala. Rebound pa rin ni Bado. Put back. Basket. 1 point. Naman, ang team undrafted. 1 point. 19 to 18. 5 minutes, 50 seconds. Still, number 8. Number 8, 3 balls. Diretso, pinasa kay GK. Open 2. Mabasok kaya. Basket, 2 points. GK. Naman na, team undrafted na
5 minutes.
3 points lead. Long 2.
5 minutes, 20 seconds.
Ha? Oo nga, 20 minutes nga. Good nga, 5 minutes na lang. Good. 5 minutes na lang. 20 minutes yun.
Last 5 minutes.
Last 5 minutes tayo ha. Namangan si Mandrafted. Yung tatlo, 21 to 18.
Hindi sila nag-change. Dos!
So wala. Ikaw pa rin yung hit. Side step in. Wala. Naliba-libado. Offensive liba-libado. Basket. 1 point. 22 to 18. Quick baller's ball. Dala ni Mark Kevin. Ibos na ball. Ganap na papasahan. Mark Kevin. Kay Kurt. Set up play daw. Sabi ni Kurt. Nasa kay Kuis. Long 2. Wala. Rebound ni GK. Set up yung play to Jel. Jel, wait lang daw. Set up play sila.
Naman kayo. 4 minutes.
4 minutes and 18 seconds. 4 minutes.
10,
9,
9,
8. Wala. Giba ni Jay. Na, pass break to Kurt. Kurt, ang gagawin ni Kurt. Bawang bang. Pinayungan ni number 10. Tumawag ng foul. Number 13. Foul by number 10. Hindi ako makapag-oras. Ikaw na lang mag-shot clock.
Shot clock.
Hindi ako makapag-shot clock. Wala ng voice baller. Inbound muna, inbound. Inbound.
9,
KJ. Jake.
7,
Dribbles the ball. Jake slicing through. Middle. Drop kick Kuis. Wala. Iba number 10. Pass break play. Nick. Basket. 1 point. 23 to 18.
last 3
Last
minutes.
Demon drafted. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Long 2 basket. Basket by Kuis Will. 22-23, 3-point lead lang ang lamang ng undrafted. Score 23, 3 minutes, 5 seconds.
10,
Jel dribbles the ball. Inasa, inside, turnover yun. Kay Jel.
10,
Kuis baller's ball. Pero i-inbound muna nilang bola. On. Kuis baller's ball. Inbound to Kevin. Play to Kevin. Long 2. Wala. Nariban ni Edwin. Number 10. Drafted ball. Play Jel. Inside pass. GK. Basket. 1 point by GK.
ilang seconds ba shot clock?
14 na. 3 balls is hit. Long 2 yun. Wala. Rebound ni Bado.
2 minutes, 2 minutes.
Score natin is 20-24. Lamang ng apat ang undrafted. Let's play.
9,
GK, open 2. Basket again, 2 points. Lamang ang undrafted na 6-point lead.
last 1 minute.
Last 1 minute and 53 seconds. Set up yung play. Kurt, set up play. Nakuha ng set up play. Jake, long 2. Wala, na-rebound ni GK. Pass to Jel. Jel, mag-set up ng bola.
11, 10,
Pass to mid. Open. Baseline. Basket. 27 to 20. 7-point lead na ang inaabol.
1 minute,
Boys
10,
baller. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Kurt, Gilid. Drop, taking Jake. Basket, 1-point lead. 1 point na lang, 1.5 set. Bali, 6-point lead na lang. Ang hinabol nila. 3 balls, 16. Latol. Anong hatol natin?
running time ba ito?
Last 53 seconds! Last 53 seconds na lang ha. Miss na yan, miss. Wala. Drafted ball. Inbound na, drafted ball. Namang pa kayo ng 6-point lead. 27 to 21. 50 seconds. Long 2, wala. Rebound pa rin ni Bado. Grabe offensive rebound ni Bado. Pass to Jen. GK, set up in play. 40 seconds. Basket, 2 points. 29 to 21.
Last 30 seconds.
30 seconds. Set up in play. Mira ng long 2. Wala, na-rebound. Offensive rebound. Hari. Support. Long 2. Wala pa din. Offensive rebound pa rin. TJ. Team. Power play. Wala pa din. Kuha ni Bado.
10,
Last 10 seconds.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Time's up. Score natin is 21 to 29. Nabanga, undrafted ng...
Counted pa, 2 points.
Wala na.
Counted.
Ano na?
Pinakamaraming points daw eh.
Wala oras eh. Hinabol.
Plus 2, counted.
Hinabol mo ba yun? So, panalo na ka.
Das yun, counted.
Point system to eh.
Bahala ka.
Sino kaya mag-i-score natin?
Taka na, mahirapan.
Sino kampi natin? Agad.
Minutes. Break ko na.
Okay, start.
Hello, start. Start tayo. Game time. Tan, 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 tan. Game time. Tan, 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 tan. Yeah, may dalang bola. Inasap. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan na. Grabe naman yan si Mike Carrillo. Carrillo, pinasa. Pinasa kay Mike Carrillo. Aki, kikamo, hindi umagot. Ibig lang Pilipina. Ayan na.
Nakuha mo na?
Grabe naman. Wala Mike. Pero yan hindi pumasok. Jet, may dala ng bola. Jet, on the drive. Grabe, hindi pa rin pumasok. Para tayo din ng point. Philip, tinira. Hindi pa rin pumasok. Ayan na, si Jet, ang ng bola. Jet, on the drive. Jet, may dala ng bola. Naku po. Nasa Tangelo. Ayan. Talo po sa first game natin, talo ang quiz bowlers, talo ang undrafted. Team undrafted, 1-0 versus quiz bowlers. Makabawi kaya ang quiz bowlers. O tuloy ng pananawin ng undrafted. Grabe naman yan, sinalaksak. Mark Herrera, bisira. Yari! For 1 point, Mark Herrera. Napakalasa na to. Hindi, kami ka na ng bola, pinasa. Hindi, nasa islet. Get out the right. Mark Angelo. Ayan. Grabe na din ito. Yan, John Patrick, napagano ng crossover. Pero kung may sarado kay Jake, nako, sinalaksak. Wala, Martarino, may dalang bola. Ayan, Martarino, sa drive. Grabe naman yun. Martarino. Hindi pa rin pumasok.
All one.
I got broads in Atlanta, just to go in the family. Credit cards and stocks, getting the licks in my bank. Lexus, family, Nancy, they like a plan.
Nakatali tayo ng undrafted. Mamaw si Pinipit din natin.
2-1.
2-1. Team get 2. 1. Team Patrick. Mark Herrera, tinira. Pasok! Mark Herrera for 2 points. Grabe naman si Martarino. Nakapala mo pa sa next minute. Patrick, John Patrick, kanyang ng bola. Sinalaksak! Hindi pa rin pasok. Alalaman. Ito. Ay, wala talaga. Ayaw. Ay. Foul. Offensive foul. Foul. Bola ni ng Team Jet. Grabe naman po. Ay si Midget Pilate ng Team Undrafted. Yun, nakadali. Naka 1-0 na sila. Makakabawi pa kaya ang ballers na dito. Tuloy ang manatawin ng Undrafted. Ang kanilang best player of the game, si Steve Perry ng Undrafted. Ayan, John Patrick may dala ng bola. Tira sa press! Grabe, muntik na pumasok. Sala lang. Pinasa sa kalaban. Grabe naman, napakagandang pasok mo noon. Grabe naman.
4-2.
4-2. Ang puntos natin ay 4-2. Lamang ang team John Patrick. Okay, kami ka lang ng bola. Napakaganda naman skill. Grabe naman. Mark Angelo. Mark Carino. Ayan na. Napakaganda ng Leandron. Foul, Mark Carino. Ang pinig natin hanggang alas 9 lang. Sulitin nyo na ang highlight. Ayan. Napakaganda pass break. Nangyari na kay Jet. Hinakaw ng bola. Ayan, Mark. Ay, grabe naman yung Mark. Napakaganda naman, pinaliwete. Ikaw ba yung Mark Maroka? Napakagandang laban dito sa
5-4.
MVP. Ayan, shoutout sa mga nag-shoutout.
All 5. All 5.
Ang puntos po natin ay all high. Team 1, 5 points. Team 2, 5 points. Napakagandang crossover naman. Yun lang, mga kapit. Yan, nalang para sa pinasa sa ay Mark Carenal. Mark Carenal on the drive. Yan, pumasok sa lang. Napakaganda sana. Grabe naman, napakagandang lukot naman noon. Ang lalit ng lukot. Yes, on the drive, minayos na naman. Si Ari, iwan ng pantay. Ang sabi bahay. Grabe na, Jeff. Napakaganda sa lakot naman noon.
7-6.
Nakakaganda.
Out.
Nakakaganda. Okay. Ikaw. Napakaganda na naman.
7-6.
Hinukot na naman kayo na din. Grabe. Oh, grabe man. Husgat. By J.J. Camo.
All 7.
All 7. Wow. Ay, sayang. Nakatouch lang ang ball.
12 minutes.
I did 10 minutes, 11 minutes, and 49 seconds. Grabe mga high skill. Grabe yung mga high skill si Karin mo. Grabe yung pata yun. Yun lang, nandiyan na. Grabe naman, nawalan ng similar to Mark Carenal on the drive. Grabe yung na. Ayan, di na nag-try. Uy, nakapagpapagpapag naman doon. Yun lang, hindi ko makakabos. Pinalaksak. Yan, ang mga bola. Good, good. Pinasa number 10-9. Pinirap. Sala. Ako ng kampis. Aso.
All 8.
Yung pinamo, yung pinamo. Anilo.
Shoot. Wala. 9-8.
9-9 ang ating score. 37 minutes. Going to change score.
Change.
Change score. Time out. Time out. Change score tayo. Change score. Change score. Change score. Bola ng Team 2. Team 1. Good, good. Labas, labas, labas. Hindi labas. Labas tayo. Labas tayo. Labas muna tayo sa ito. Grabe naman yun. Napakaganda ng highlight mo. Grabe binitawan. Ay, pagsama lang. Ay, Carino.
9 minutes.
9 time. 8 minutes and 9 minutes and 32 seconds.
Ilan? 2. 2. 1.
Yes. Wow. Wow. It's sponsored by Tatay Ulit Hindi Maruso. Happy birthday sa ating magiging na player, Kuya Mark Kevin.
We supposed to be your children. I thought we family. We supposed to
8 or 32 years old.
chances. Tired of living on the edge, so we they keep dancing. We just
Oh,
be number one like Steve Francis. Bow our heads saying praying on the seas planet. Everywhere I turn, I'm seeing MCs vanish. A lot of good niggas gone, I don't understand it. A lot of families lost and they seeds stranded. I ain't trying to disrespect you, I just need answers. I know you watching us from heaven thinking who to save. Cherry picking who should go next and who should stay. I'd be on my way to heaven if I knew the way. And bring back every good nigga you choose to take. They say you never wrong, but you done made a few mistakes. Cause you taking the wrong niggas, maybe you should trade. Trade us
49.
I think you should trade. Give us 2 pounds back and say that nigga should. Let the legend resurrect and he living for good. I be screaming thug like in every different hood. If only you can bring him back, like I wish you would. Give us Biggie, give us Bud, give us Triple H. Take that nigga Trump with you, that's the biggest threat. There's too much power for a coward with no intellect. That's a nigga with a collar, there's a disconnect. Niggas dying, mama crying, grandma need a tissue. Niggas shooting on the church, now I need a pistol. All the niggas still having, you don't see the issue. You take a leader, then you take a leader with you. I ain't trying to disrespect this, need a meeting with you. I ain't trying to overstep this, want a reason with you. Give us back our love,
Oh.
take the evil with you. Send them fucking straight to hell, they don't need a vision.
14-10.
Give us back Martin Luther, take Martin Crowley. Give us back Malcolm, take R. Kelly. R.I.P. Lil Snoop, get that boy life back. Take Eric Holder, give us Eric right back. I'm sending you this message, but I hope you hit me right back. I see I'm on the right train, I know I'm on the right track. You try to walk on and all they did was try to fight back. Send the man walk around
14-10.
like that. Why you take our
14-10.
fathers and our sisters and our cousins from us? Got these children getting murdered while they double dutching. Wonder why the fuck you take niggas hustle from us? Damn, you took a true king, a true brother from us.
14-12.
Everybody got guns, niggas on the song. And everything that they took the gun. You know it's not fair, tell the truth. I've been in my feelings too. But if you took Emmett-Till, at least take Dylan Roof. At least take James Holmes. I ain't even mad at that. Just bring back Whitney and give us Michael Jackson back. Fans want me and then slam it down. Ain't no justice for Sandra Bland. We up like a sailing fan.
14-13.
Hand in hand. Take out the fuck niggas and give us
14-13.
drowning in my tears, trying to pray for something. Wonder why you give us life for you to take it from us. Wonder why you give us family and erase it from us. Maybe you can have a conversation with us. Maybe I was probably tripping because I need a hug. The hood can't find jobs, now we need a plug.
Ating on the drive. Score 13-14. By Dennis and
Watching niggas follow trends like Thomas.
Labas ang bola. Ano, nakakain mo tayo?
Try again.
First game ang second game na lang yan.
Tommy Lauren run her mouth and then she get defensive. Lauren Ingram laughing at death and disrespecting. I really feel like you should teach them stupid hoes a lesson. Either that or give us back somebody who deserved a blessing. I left out a bunch of names that I forgot to mention. Cost too much to pay attention and it got expensive. Father, forgive me for I know not what I do, and now I'm reaching out to you, hoping you hear me and return the message. I know that you got our back and that you're not against us. Or maybe you just love us so you're doing shit to test us. I just kinda thought that you would do more to protect us. They say the good die young and I ain't on the guest list. I'm a drinking low, forgive me if my blood racing. I don't know what I'm thinking, I'm just frustrated. I don't mean to question you, I'm just confused. I don't know what else to do, I've been patient and it sucks waiting. So you that forever hurts. But putting the blame on you, that'll never work. I know this ain't your fault, it's the devil's work. Devil's work.
Fourteen 13. All 14. Dos, uno. Shh. Ilan?
First person shooter mode. Continue to send me a funeral. Say they don't office you better than top of the boys had a lot, but I know the code. A lot of niggas to pick up, I know the road. With the 3 out of 2.
Sabi na. Ako na may contact.
Niggas so thirsty they told me a beat it. I said that my words just start looking too deep. I look at the juice and start sucking my teeth. Relating to rock cause I love the steep. I still wanna give you a soul I beat. You trust everything that you saw when I cheat. Just know
All 15.
know that I hit you like I'm on the call ID. I'm really not out in the crowd. I just truly I want to consider it a follow for me. Still this bitch getting bigger. They wait on the kid to come jump like a father to me. Remember they argue the hardest MC. Is it King God? Is it Harvey or me? We the big three in the sky with me. But right now I feel like Muhammad Ali. Yeah, Muhammad Ali. The one that they call me. She didn't get me. No more feel like I'm chopping my teeth. Problem with me is the biggest mistake. This time it is me looking at Jake. It's like you encourage your homies to be hey, how the gang got away from the ball, man, this shit like a trick and escape. Everybody's fucking the air, I ain't preface.
16-15. 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Picture blockbuster, the
1 minute.
straight and tone shit up the trap buster.
Wait,
The club crusher.
table pala, table.
16-15.
With the boy in the status of stadium.
Crossover. Na-steal. Tumasalaksak. Umayak.
17-15.
7.
Aiden 16. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Christine.
40 seconds.
40 seconds. 4 minutes. For 3.
25.
Last 20 seconds.
18, 16.
16, 18. Favor of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
18, 17. Time na. Time na.
9. Game over.
Sige lang. Ha? Isa lang laban. Dalawa.
Hirap pa bulit.
Mind your motherfucking business, ain't nothing you gotta see. How you all up in my shit when you got my problems in me? Yeah, it's cool with
Uy,
you.
kalawin mo na to.
See that
Ako ulit?
and my niggas
Ako ba?
Para ano, alit na yung namin.
I know that you and every bitch, it ain't that hard to see. Don't you dare
Okay.
to tell me that you proud of me. Ain't no choice to me.
Lobat na yung mic. Lobat.
Lobat. Some niggas that gon' chop my heart right off and still reach out to me. I know you probably want that. My nigga pick me up and take me on the ride. They don't rip off a nigga and bring me back to life. Shut me down, shut me down, shut me down, shut me down, shut me down. That's all right. Everybody wanna be so motherfucking bad to the gas. We can know that you back in the clothes. They been lying to the devil, so it's back. They don't want to go back to the phones. It was fast for the goals. It's a bunch of little motherfucking bastards. Every step of my life, I'm a joke. Take a pass, I'm a troll. I think I'm gonna drink until I pass. And then it's on the back in a row. But now Jay on my mind. I've been on my grind. Back to so sometimes think that God ain't on my side. I cut all my friends off and say y'all ain't on my vibe. And it's so much more than life than drinking party all the time. It's gonna last a lifetime. No more Mr. Nice Guy. I text Jaden Smith and told that nigga he an icon. Don't get shit fucked up. Cause I ain't got no ice, I don't mean I am not so bad. I should freeze you all at nighttime. I'm like, what the heck you
Bigyan
been
mo
in?
ng 1K si Brad. Tapos sabi mo kay DBA eh, palibre mo ng kain doon. Alam niya. Kaya nga, ano ba?
Asamahan ko na lang siya.
Oh, sama mo.
Mahirap i-just ito yan eh. Mas hindi ko pa.
Good. Game. Rebound. Okay, for two. Wala. Rebound ni Bado. Ayaw mashuta. Hirapan tayo takbuhan. Karibon ka, hindi na eh. Mas nakain tayo sa takbuhan. Karibon, nakukuhaan mo eh. Kaya mo kuhaan. Short. Foul, foul. No. No. Game between undrafted and quick bowlers. First, nasa kay Kuy. Pero wala, rebound ni Bado. Nasa kay Jel, binalik ni Bado. Basket. 1 point. Turnover. Undrafted ball tayo. Inbound, commit. Nasa kay Jel, set up play. Jel, set up play. Drop to DK, turnover. Quiz ballers tayo. Inbound. Quiz Will. Nasa kay Quiz Jake. Ada bola. Mark Kevin. Defensive rebound. Basket. All one. Nick, dadala ng bola. Pass to GK, open to. Wala. Rebound ni number 14, Salvador. To Kuis, to Jake. Jake, dadala ng bola. Drop, Kevin, turnover. Bola tayo, undrafted. Jel, nagdadala ng bola. Drop to GK. Open, sa ilalim si Nick. Basket, 1 point. Kurt, dadala ng bola. Setuping play para sa baseballers. Pasa kay Chris Jake. Pasa sa middle ni Mark. Pumasok. Ayan. Pass to Jel. Jel. Pass to pitch. Kaso turnover. Sayang. Wala tayong baseballers. Oras natin. 15 minutes. 58. Score natin. 2-1. Ang mga undrafted. 1 point. Kurt, dadala mo na. Drop pass. Salvador. Basket. 1 point. All 2. To make. Dadala ng bola. Inside pass. Deflect. Pero nakuha ni Edwin. Nasa kay Jel. Jel. Set up and play. Up. Mahuli. Edwin. To make. Nick dadala. Baseline drop. Nick ulit ang bola. Ilabas. Set up play. Jel. To make. Open to. Wala. Rebound ni Bato. Offensive rebound. Basket. 1 point. Basket, basket, basket. Basket, ere. Ano nga yung drafted na 1 point? Kurt, dadala ng bola. Screen by Mark. Chris Jake. Tukuy, open 2. Mira. Basket, 2 points yun. 4-3, lamang na ang baseballers na isa. Oras natin, 14 minutes, 49. Nick, babawi, wala. Quiz, rebound. Chris Jake, dadala ng bola. Chris Jake, diretso. Basket. 5-3. Rebound. Bado, dadala ng bola. Para sa team undrafted. Jel, GK, open 2. Wala, niwa. Kuha ulit, rebound ulit. GK ulit. Bado, basket. Point. 4-5. Favor pa rin ng baseballers. 1.3. 14 minutes and 10 seconds. Kurt, dadala ng bola. Chris Jake. Kevin. Love pass. Para kay Salvador. Basket yun. 1 point. Yeah, dadala ng bola. Baseballers na mga dalawa. Drafted bola. Jel, set up in play. Si GK, open 2, tumira. Wala. Bola tayo ng baseballers. Line violation tayo. Bola, bola, kuha. Inbound, inbound, inbound. Running time tayo 13 minutes and 35 seconds. Sila, dalawa. Mga baseballers ng dalawa. Pass to Jake, ang taas, pero nakuha pa rin. Jake, delivering the ball. Diretso. Drop pass to Kevin. Tira ng dos. Wala. Rebound ni Jel. Baseball pitch, deflect. Kuha ni Kuis. Decision tayo, decision. Anong hatol? Anong hatol? Miss ball, miss ball. Miss ball tayo, miss ball ng baseballers. Basket, baseballers ball. Ibang pa rin ang baseballers ball ng dalawa, 6-4. Oras natin, 12 minutes, 35 seconds. Kuis Will, titira ng dos. Wala, pero na-rebound DK. Pwesto, inside pass, Edwin. Rebound ni Kuis to Jay. Pass to Mark Kevin. Pass to Salvador. Easy point. 7-4. Score natin. Jel, dadala ng bola. Tira. Hindi, pinasa niya kay DK. Wala. Rebound ni Jake. Jake, dadala ng bola. Jake. Layup, pinasa kay Mark Kevin. Fake! Basket! See, 1 point. 8-4. Lamang ng apat ang Fishballers. Jel. Slicing through middle. Wala. Rebound ni Chris Jake. Chris Jake, dadala ng bola para sa Fishballers. Chris Jake. Diniretso. Layup. Pero tatawag yun ng foul. Foul by number 0. Okay. Score natin, 8-4. Lamang ng apat ang Fishballers. Oras natin, 11 minutes and 30 seconds. Inbound ng Fishballers. To Kurt, set up in play. Kuis. To Jake. Inside pass. Salvador. Salvador. Na-double team siya doon. Open 2, wala. Rebound ni Bado. Dadala para sa undrafted. Ace. Wala. Pero tumawag ng foul. Foul kay number 13. Inbound ng undrafted. Jel. Set up play. Team undrafted. Pass to Mick. Mick. Kay Isaac. Basket. 1 point. Mark Salvador. Dala ng bola. Pinasa kay Kuis. Kuis. Set up in play. Kurt. Set up daw kay KJ. Inside pass, not pass. Pero na-deflect yun ni number 10. Edwin. Same ball tayo. Pass to Mark Kevin. Open 2. Pinasa, tinira. Huli. Pero meron pa sa naman foul. Kay number 117. Malo.
10 minutes and 10 seconds.
Oras natin, 10 minutes and 13 seconds. Floater, Mark. Niluwa. Na-rebound. Bado, dinadiretso. Pasok ko Edwin, wala. Rebound ni Mark Kevin. Mark Kevin, nagdadala ng bola para sa Fishballers. Pasok kay Salvador. Open pass. Pero may foul kay number 10. Same ball tayo, same ball. Fishballers. Inbound pass. Kurt. Kurt, naghanap ng papasahan. Chris Jake. Kaping play. Inside pass. Mark. Mira. Basket. 1 point. 9-4. Score natin is 9-4. In favor of Fishballers. Nick, layup. Wala. Rebound, Mark Kevin. Lose the ball para sa Fishballers. Wish, open. Open 2. Long 2. Wala. Na-rebound ni Jel. Jel, nagdadala ng bola para sa undrafted. Jel, slicing through middle. Wala. Rebound ni Stick. Pero, tatawagan yun. Same ball tayo, same ball. Jel, naghanap ng pasa. GK open, na-pass. Ibado, deflect yun ni Mark Kevin. Salvador, baseball pitch. Steal ni Jel. Sayang. GK. Tira, long 2. Wala, rebound ni Chris Jake. Chris Jake, dadala ng bola. Inside pass, deflect. One ni Kurt. Kuis will. Sayang, turnover. Undrafted ball tayo.
9-4. 8-25.
Ang score natin is 9-4 in favor of Fishballers. 5-point lead. Oras natin 8 minutes and 15 seconds. Pass to Jel. Taping play, Kimik. Open 2, tumira. Wala. Rebound ni Will. Still, limit. Number 8, inside pass. So, napakataas. Turnover tayo. Bola ng Fishballers. Fishballers taking lead by 5 points. Pass to Will. First, open 2, titira. Wala. Undrafted ball tayo. Tumama sa ball. Hit. Diskarte para sa undrafted. Rebound. Defensive rebound ni Bado. Dribbles the ball. Ilabas ni Bado. Set up to Meet. Meet, pinasa kay Jel. Jel, back to Meet. Meet, diretso. Sidestepping, layup, basket. 1 point by Meet. Number 8. Number 10, Mark Kevin, ibot the ball. Nakaras siya ni Lon. Pinalik niya kay DJ. Set up play doon
7
nila.
minutes.
7 minutes. Drop the quiz wheel. Open. Basket. 1 point by quiz wheel. Change score. Change score tayo. Change score. Change score. Score natin is 10-5. In favor of quiz ballers. 5-point lead. Oras natin ha. 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Jel. Pass to GK. Open 2. Wala. Rebound ni Salvador. Secure the rebound. And Jake. Jake nagdadala ng bola. Diretso, lays up. Basket, 1 point.
11-5.
11-5. Score natin. In favor pa rin. Good pass. Nabahan niya yung paa niya. Diyan ba? Score natin is 1-5. Favor pa rin ng quiz ballers. Sisecure kaya nila yung lead nila or makahabol na ang undrafted. Steal! Pass break pass to mid. Galing sa steal, mid. Sayang, hindi na-convert. Jake, drop to Mark Kevin. Huli, nabot ni Edwin. Mark Kevin ulit, 1 point.
12-5.
Score natin is 12-5. 7 na ang inahabol dito ng undrafted.
5:35 seconds.
5 minutes and 35 seconds. Inside pass. Bado, basket! Ang laki mo dun. Wishwill, ladala. Pinasa kay Kurt. Set up play. Kurt, naharas ni Jel. Pinasa kay Wishwill. Open to. Basket! By Wishwill. 14-6. Limit, dinerecho. Wala. Kapek ni Jel. So, bola namin is quiz ballers. Oras natin. Time check, 4 minutes and 55 seconds. In favor pa rin ng quiz ballers. Set up in play. Mark Levin, open to.
46.
46. Inside pass. Salvador. Wala. Last touch doon. Init. Same ball tayo, same ball. Last touch. Wishwill. Open 2. Tumira. Wala. Na-rebound ni Bado. Ganit na papasan si Bado. Nasa kay GK. He wants the ball. Inis natin ni GK dito. Kay Bado. He wants the ball. GK again. GK naghanap ng screen. Get up in play. GK. Slice in the middle. Drop. Pero may kasamang foul. Okay, number 13. Avalos. First. Number 10, Edwin. Pass to Jel. Naghanap ng kapasahan. Open, teammate. Inside pass. Good daw, Anatol. Same ball tayo, same ball.
3 minutes, 30 seconds.
Oras natin, 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Wala. Pero may offensive rebound doon si Bado. Offensive rebound. Open, GK for 2. Basket, 2 points by GK.
14-8.
Score natin is 14-8. Lamang pa rin ang quiz ballers. Set up in play sila, taking each time. Mark Kevin, drop to Kurt. Hesitate, still ni number 4. Mga tol, quiz ballers tayo, turnover. Quiz ballers. Inbound.
2 minutes, 40 seconds.
Time check, 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Pass to Jake. Open, twist wheel. Pupulo ulit ng dos. Wala. Na-rebound ni Mark Kevin. Put back. Wala. Na-rebound si Salvador. Effect ni... Open si Kurt. Step side. Wala. Na-rebound ni Bado. Diretso. Travel na. Ano tumawag? Ako natatawag eh. Natatawag na.
2 minutes.
Oras natin. 2 minutes. Exactly. Inside pa. Edwin. Bado. To GK. Open 2. Wala. Rebound ni Kuiswil. Kuiswil. Nagdadala ng bola. Dinerecho. Slicing through middle. Lace up. Wala. Kuha ni Meet. Meet. Nagdadala ng bola para sa team undrafted. Dinerecho. Meet. Mira. Wala. Na-rebound Salvador. Secure rebound ni Salvador. Pinasa kay number 13. Kurt. Pinasa kay Mark Kevin. Taking its time. Sabi, dahil lamang sila. Lamang pa rin ang baseballer. 14-8. Jake, set up play. Tukoy Smil. Taking its time. Jake. Diretso. Side step. Huli ka. Anong hatol? Undrafted ball tayo. Last.
14-8.
Anong decision? Kanina ang bola. Same ball. Same ball daw.
1 minute.
Oras natin is 1 minute. Exactly. Corner 2. Mark Kevin. Basket. 16-8. Oras natin. Less than a minute. 46 seconds. Less than a minute na lang. Meron na lang tayong 41 seconds left. Lamang pa rin ang baseballer. 16-8. Meron ng dos baseball. Tapos. Good. Miss. 1 point. Basket. 16-9. Oras natin is 32 seconds. Third, set up time. Take time na lang sila dahil sa kanila ang last possession. 24. Wala. Pati ka ng bola. Post. Good. Then, pinasa kay Nick. Lace up, wala. Edwin, wala. Nasa kay Nick. Wala pa rin. Oras natin, 8 seconds to shoot. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And game ball. Panalo ang quiz baller. 16-9. Serious tie. Galing? Bumawi. Pagkakakambat nila noong una. Inawihan din nila. Tinabakan din nila.
Tao doon quiz. Bawi na ako.
Team undrafted at quiz ballers ay all one.
Alas ko, 16 ano?
16-9.
Nice.
Isa pa?
Ilang game ba tayo? Okay, start!
Okay, start tayo. Start na. Start. Nice. Start. Okay, game. Okay, start na tayo ah.
AK-47 invaded my property. Dead bodies got me seeing shots, but I still call her Becky. We should build myself much like a press a button and see what's down when you took the shoes and called up, got a long roots and took a long way to take it out of Houston. Took the metro, it was still going. I made the same mistake. It was only on this side. We there with the chase. Can't see so many drugs, we don't think of bad.
Saan yung pwede?
Chocolate clouds,
79 lang yun. Yan ang kung pagdami kay Tyler. Kay Tyler. Dami turo dun. Mga bata yun. Ah. Saan? Pasok. We're at basketball. Good. Umipitik. Grabe naman yun.
Beat your ass and have the Bible of God watching. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. So if I'm working at, I want to help the score with him. Don't be down, no time. I know he got some core on him. Hold on him. Next up shit, really got fun. Crazy. I hit you like a gun. You better hang up with a cell block now. You really wish to talk to him and they don't love. Just make sure you have your little sister's friend. So the trail for him, you wanna get your hand down. You party at the party center with his rose now. And Bob got a real case where I see a rap. Certified lover boy, certified pedophile. Got a couple more. I'ma do my story. Now you show me like a bitch ain't tired and try to pour. They not like us. 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 You think the table that you disrespect my liver? I think that open shoulder to your left back. They cold style. I don't know why you said the shit. What is the hour? Old niggas and bird pictures. Go. The audience not done. Shake the stories how you want. I trade that not slow. Rabbit hole is still hot. I prefer that promise. And the story that is what bitch you look at a boom most funny. You know, God, boy, let's get a regular song. Since 2009, I had this bitch jumping. You niggas are getting wet. You flipped over your boxes. I hope you don't fall. International option. Next day, they cut me. Got things out of the house. Might write this with a dot. Got a pop out with a hot. Look at that, go action. No accident. Get his face, he had it like a bitch apologizing. I'm glad he won't kill you, y'all didn't deserve me. From a lot of down to central, nigga, man, that's me going to make me. That nigga that moving flax. That name gotta be registered. It's just a different watch. I knew you niggas like another line of rock. Yeah, it's all out for me, and I'ma set it up to fight.
Last touch.
Last touch.
They not like us. 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 They not like us.
1-1.
I was still double down, telling us to say.
Grabe naman yun. Derrick Rose. No, Mike Arena on the drive. Grabe naman yun. Ay, grabe. Jordan Iverson. Grabe na 3-point. Chase score. Grabe naman yun. Napakaganda naman. Ayan, sige. Get on the drive. Ayan, minamagic na naman ang bola. Yun. Wow, number 26. Wow, number 26. Mike Arinto for 3. Good. Ayan. Hindi na magano bola. Mike, Kevin Coronel. Mike na-blocky. Wow. Bumawi. Ngayon, hindi pa rin pasok. Ayan. Nawagan na naman ang lawan. Intense game. Kuya Harry, wala pinasa kay Mark Carino. Carino pinasa kay Philip. Nawagan ng pass break. Grabe naman yun, John Boswick for 3. Ayan o. Nakapagod ang pasa naman kay Kuya Harry. John Patrick on the drive. Napagod na ng fake. Pinasa kay Terenal. 1 point. Mark Kevin Coronel on the drive. Napagod na sa laksak. Pinasa, nakuha ng ganda na yung steal ni Mark Terenal. Terenal, diretso. Yari na naman po. 1 point, Terenal. Mark Carino ng Bayan. Napaganda naman ang pasa noon. Nice pass. 16 points and 12 points. 9 minutes and 4 seconds. Mark Terenal, press. Hindi umasok. Last touch. Going to there you go.
Fresh, talo na kayo. Ha? Best player lang. Best player.
Grabe mga Kuya Hari. Ayan, pamangin ko yan. Ang susunod sa yapak. Grabe naman tres doon. Grabe si Martirena. Gigil na bigil. Martirena for 1 point. Gigil na bigil. Mga kasiyot. Grabe naman mga highlights na yun. Kakaibang highlights. Ayan, si Jit. Jit, Baldassar. Naku, grabe naman yun. Oh, alam yung pasa naman yun. Napakagandang pasa. Grabe naman yun. 18 points. Team Mark Kevin. And 13 points sa team ni John Patrick. Seven minutes. Grabe naman yun. Nakaw. Ayan, Mark, pinasasay sa kalaban. Grabe naman, naistilan. Napakalasay naman ng kanino. Good. Ganda ng pasa. Warning, 19 points and 14 points. Oh! Grabe, Kobe Abarientos.
Make it through the foul until I'm make a free throw. I think that I'm D-Rose, doing like I'm D-Rose. Hey, what I like to say is
Last touch. Same ball.
wanna be a star, and you wanna win the race, but you cannot ride with me, 'cause I was down on the chest. Nowadays, I'm so fucked up, friend. Nowadays, I don't know when the world's best. If your life like a guy with a world ends, it's alright every time we fucking break a set.
Margarino, Inege, nakuha ng kalaban, nabawian. Ganda ng laban. Grabe naman pasa nun. Kuya Hari, 3 points. Kuya! Martirenan. 19 points and 15 points.
Hey,
Ayan na. Nako.
wanna be a star, and you wanna win the race, but you cannot ride with me, 'cause I was down on the chest. Nowadays, I'm so nowadays, I don't know when the world's best.
John Patrick, may dala ng bola. John Patrick, ano po pasahan? Pinasa kay Chavez. Sinira. Chavez for 3! Ano yun? Kuya Hari. Yung. Last to the last. Hanggang 21 tayo, 21.
21?
Ay, hindi, running yan.
21?
Running time tayo. Hanggang 20 seconds, 20 minutes. Meron pa tayo 3 minutes lang.
I just need cake in that bitch. I ain't have much, just a Whistler. Got a broke nigga doing big shit. I got a gun like blood, and I'm ignorant. So keep going down, over like thick ring. I got a true game, take up the big man. Bitch strap on me like a hitman. Click clack with it while I'm big man. I ain't never done shit, make shit change. But nigga get laid when you get fed. Can't sleep at night till I get rain.
Grabe naman yun. Kobe!
I got hitters all over. Told us all over. I take the kids on drugs, a lot of them on love, and get them on sober. I got a little check that I cashed out, hey. Credit card maxed out, hey. I get lit till I act out, hey. I ain't wanna do it till I blacked out, hey. Why I say I need to be safe? I think I need to be straight. Get so loud, I need to be late. You can see God, and you need to be mates. I love my bitch, baby, we can see fake. I got gunners like Chris, like me.
Mark Kevin Coronel. Mark Kevin Coronel on the drive. Ayan, Mark Coronel. Grabe naman yun. Last 2 minutes. Tapos ang tira. Tapos swak sa last 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Ay, grabe, maka-spin naman nun. Grabe. Foul, Mark Kevin. May lamok. Grabe naman yan. 58 seconds. 55 seconds. 53 seconds. 49 seconds. 47 seconds. 44 seconds. 41 seconds. 37 seconds. 35 seconds. Grabe naman yun. Derrick Rose. Bala. Bal. 22 seconds. Start. 22 seconds. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 8, 9, 6, and out there.
Kala ko live post.
Wala nang live. Ito, naka-live yan pag na-post.
Grabe bata mo. Uy, grabe na. Kumakain sa ilalim. Tama yung ginagawa mo pag narinig ko. Kasi, di ba sinasambot nila? Next game. Final game. Ang draft pick. Versus. And we're back again. Ang sa final game. Drafted versus Quiz Ballers. Final match. Sino talaga mananalo?
For a couple decades, relentless hits, right?
Let's go, let's go, let's go! The final game. Final matchup between Chris Bowler and Undrafted. Let's go. Start na tayo.
Kapag tumatalbo, tumatalbo.
Hindi ako sanay.
Tumaba ka ngayon eh. Tumaba ka rin. Gago, tumaba ka rin. Hindi ka tulad dati na parang mo. Bumaba ka ulit.
Sabihin, sobrang taba mo na nakaraan.
Oo, tama siya. Nagkala mo tayo MC.
Umabot nga ako ng 68. So ano, ang timbang ko 55-54 lang eh. Parang hindi nagulat.
Let's go. Let's start the game. After 20 minutes. Time start now. Happy ball meet. Naran agad. Rebound ni Kurt. Para sa Chris Bowler. Kurt, set up a play. Pinasa kay Libanan. Dribbles the ball. With Jay. Up and under play. Sayang. Wala na ang drop test. Good. Steal! Hey Mark, sorry nyo. Dribbles the ball. Diretso. Up and under play. Nakuha ni Libanan. Floater. Wala. Nakuha ni Chris J. Pull up. Rebound ni Bado. Dribbles the ball. Diretso. Layup. Wala. Matando si Mick para siguro yung rebound. Sidestepping, huli. Rebound ni Bado. Offensive rebound. Bado. Pasok kay Jay. 1 point. Very good score. DK, nadala ng bola. DK, charging through middle. Lays up. Wala, lumabas pa yung bola. Pinagro play again, para kay Salvador. Lebana for 2. Wala, ang lakas. Ratang si Chris Jake. Inside play. Salvador, Lebana ulit. Pukol. 9 violation. Ang hatol. Wala na ang undrafted. Undrafted tayo.
Uy, magkakuha na kami ah.
Awan ba sila?
Oo, sila.
Yung kabila.
Awan din natin. Inbound to Edwin. Pulls up 2 balls by Edwin. Nick, nagkadala ng bola para sa drafted. Nasa kay Jay. Inside lane. One Edwin. Pulls up. Kurt. Baseball pitch. Libana, diretso. Lays up. Wala. Rebound ni Edwin. Number 10. Number 4. Number 0. DK for 2. Wala. Rebound. Para sa baseballer. Score natin. All 1. 3-1. 17 minutes to go. Steal. Ayun na rebound na rin. With Jake. Lays up. Pero may kasamang foul. 5. Number 8. Nick Bilarde. First, tumira ng dos. Rebound by Nick. Nick para sa undrafted. First steal. Ang hatol natin ay bola na. Twins baller. Inbound by Twins baller. Here we are. Mark Carino para sa inbound. Ganap ng papasaan. With Jake. With Jake sa gitna. Pull up. Wala na. Rebound ni Bilarde. Bilarde. Dribbles the ball. Inside pass. Kas tumama. And over. Wala tayo ng baseballers. Time check. 60 minutes and 5 seconds. Score natin is 3-1 in favor of undrafted. Inside pass, Libanan. Goes up to Kurt, to basket. All three, want to score. All three ang score natin. Side, GK. Pero tumawag ng foul. Okay, number 90, Bigamo. Same ball tayo, same ball. Si GK, tumira ulit ng dos. Wala. Defensive rebound ni Mid. Pero may kasamang foul. Ay. Mid, tira ng dos. Basket, 2 points yun. By Velarde. Margarino. Lubos the ball para kay Smith. Base ballers, sidestepping. Wala. Still. Points niya. Margarino. Score natin is 5-4 in favor of undrafted by 1.3. Time check, 40 minutes and 50 seconds. Bato! 1 point para sa team undrafted. 6-4 ang score natin. Kurt, nagdadala ng bola para sa base ballers. Screen ni Marcarino. Pass to Jake. Number 19. Essie. Love pass. Libanan. Libanan dribbles the ball. Outside pass. Kay Kurt. Tumpol ng dos. Wala. Rebound number 0. DK. After under pass. Jail. Wala. Rebound by Jake. Sigamo. Number 19. Love pass. Still. Edwin Barcela. Buwan ni GK. GK. Tumpol ng dos. Long 2. Wala. Buwan ni Marcarino. Marcarino. Diretso. Pasa kay Salvador. Basket. 1 point. Kay Salvador. Edwin. Pasa kay Bado. Easy basket. Bado. Score natin is 7-5. 2-point lead by team undrafted. Time check. 30 minutes and 40 seconds. Salvador. Wing. Tapos. Smith. Dala ng bola. Diretso para sa team undrafted. Lays up. Basket. 1 point by Liz. 8-5 ang score natin. Jay. Easy basket. Baseline. 8-6 ang ating score. Para kay Edwin. Wala. Rebound ni Marcarino. Mark. Si Diretso. Diretso. Drop. Jake. Baseline. Bump. Sides. Basket. 1 point. Score natin, 8-7. Favor of undrafted brothers by 1 point. Counter steal. Yun, nakuha ni Ado. Ulap, wala. Kurt, baseball pass. Chris Jake, para kay Libanan. Raise up, basket. All 8 tayo, all 8. Ang score natin. 12 minutes and 35 seconds. Ating points. Jel, labas the ball. Tumira ng long 2. Wala, pero ito na-rebound Marcarino. First, oy, same ball. Quick ball tayo. Left. Inbound. Kurt. Kurt, nagharap na screen. Screen by Mark. Kurt. Cole. Wala. GK. Rebound. GK, diretso. Steal. Jake. Jake, nagharap. Floater. Basket by Jake Ligamo. 8-9. Ang score natin. May favor na. Quick baller. By 1.3. GK. Ang change. Wala. At still. Bado. Rebound. Basket. Tabla tayo sa all 9. Sino kaya ang makakapag-change court ngayon? Kurt, pinasa kay Jake. Number 19. Pasa kay Marcarino. Corner. Essie. Spin. Outside pass ni Kurt. Open si Libanan. Titira ba? Inside. Ano ang hatol?
Same ball tayo. Same ball lang ako. Foul tayo. Kanan, to Jake. Jake, lahat ng papasahay. Kuha na screen. Counter screen. Floater, wala. Rebound ni Meet. Takas break pass kay GK! Change court! Change court tayo, change court. Change court tayo, change court. Time out, change court. Ayaw yung paawat ha. Change court tayo in favor of undrafted by 1 point lead. Oras natin, 10 minutes and 30 seconds. Ten minutes and 21 seconds.
Sige, gusto niya na. Sige, hanggang matapos na.
Let's go. Mark Carino, dribble the ball. Up, down, Salvador. Si Mark pa rin.
Kayo 10, di ba? Tama, di ba 10-9?
Labas muna.
All 10? All 10 lang? Hindi naman kami, di ba? Oo, sila nag-change eh.
Sila.
Undrafted. 10-9. Lamang sila, undrafted.
Isa lang naman nila. Basta. Inbound.
Sabi niya kasi all 10.
Lamang ang undrafted na isa. Steal by Jay. Kaso na turnover, side. Bola ng baseballers. Inbound. Libanan. Ikit ang laban. Sino kaya? Mananalo sa goal. Tingnan natin. Kurt. Dribbles. Kumuha na screen. Binalik ni Libanan. Inside pass naman. Kaso dinag-transition doon. Turnover. Bola na undrafted. Inbound. Undrafted. Ano ang decision natin? Undrafted ballers tayo. Sige. Lapas. Tubado. Easy point. 11-9. Score natin. Favor pa rin. Undrafted ballers. 8 minutes and 17 seconds. Set up play sila. Mark Carino. Ang ng bola. Wala. Pero ang decision is tumama sa paningit. Kaya, same ball tayo. Jake, pull-up. Wala, rebound ni Meet. Pass-break pass ni Jel, layup. Basket. 12-9. Score natin. In favor pa rin. Drop. Kurt, set up play. Jay, sinasakay Libanan. For 2. Wala. Rebound ni Mark Carino. Corner. Set up play sa gitna. Kurt, up. Wala. Kevin, ibot na ball. Miss. Nag-dribble ang bola. Miss. Body check. Kurt, Abalo. Yeah, same ball pa rin sa ayo. Inbound. Steal by Kurt. Kurt, nasa kay Mark Carino. Ni Jake Ligamo. Save. Kuha ni Jen. GK. Edwin. Inside pass. Kevin. Basket. 1 point. 9-13. Score natin. Oras natin. 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Inbound, baseballer. Okay, Libanan. Nasa kay Jake, tinira, dos. Wala, pero na-rebound ni Mark Carino. Offensive rebound yun. Jake, up. Wala, Salvador.
Pero may kasama. Wow. Paibado. Libana, inbound. Jake, Messi, side pass, Kurt, pasa kay Salvador, uli! Pero tumawag ng foul. Tumawag ng foul sa Salvador. Kaya, same ball tayo. Inbound, Chris Ballers, Ibanan, inbound, Messi, pass to Kurt, open 2, tira kaya? Hindi ng discussion doon, so bukan tayo. Kurt, dala ng bola. Marcarino, wala. Rebound, Ibado, secured. Rebound. Tapik ba? Anong decision natin? Oh, bola natin is undrafted. Reflect down. Yes. Pass to mid. Mid, up. Subado. Ang laki mo talaga. 1 point. Counter steal pa rin. Tigel. Lace up. Basket. 15-9. Score. Time decision. Anong decision? Basket or not? Ano? Okay na. Basket counts down, sabi ni Kuy Smith. Basket down. Ang score natin is 15-9. In favor of undrafted. Ay init ang labanan. Jake, ball. Jake, sliding through. Out na foul.
Grabe yung score niya, wala pa.
Mid, tsaka siya na ito. Oh, yung malaki. Dalawa sila ni Mid. Basket. 5-point lead. Long 2. Wala. Rebound ng Chris Baller. Salvador. Chris the rebound. Chris Jake. Dala na bola. Diretso. Slicing through middle. Wow, tumawag ng foul. Easy lang tayo, easy lang. Laro lang tayo. Double team. Wow, tumawag si Jake. Inis ang laban. 5-point lead. Ay, undrafted. Nabuta ng bola. Nabuta. Bola pa rin yung Chris Ballers. Carino. Up. Wala. Rebound.
Same ball. Wala tayong oras.
Discussion. Bigayan lang. Bigayan lang kayo, bigayan lang score. Lalagal lang yung laro. Tira, Libana, for 2. Wala. Rebound again. Undot, Kurt. Pasa kay Salvador. Basket, 1 point. 4-point lead. Bigat ang laban. Meron pa tayong 2 minutes 15 seconds sa ating oras. Running time tayo ha, running time. 11-15. 4-point lead. Right, drafted. Bigat ang laban. Init. Huli. Yung nasikot ni Nick. Gel, GK, open 2. Basket! GK. 17-11. Favor pa rin. Team undrafted. Meron pa tayong 1 minute and 40 seconds. First, pass to Jake. Jake, sets up play. Jake, dino-double team dito. Anong discarding si Jake dito? Natin. Dribbles the ball. Wala. Screen na ni Marcarino. Diretso. Up. Rebound. Salvador. Good ball, good ball. Walang tumawag. To Mark, Kurt. Set of play, Kurt. Set of play, Kurt. Set of play. Oras natin, 1 minute and 6 seconds. Basket ba? Wala. Rebound ni Bato. Minute. Open, GK for 2. Wala, na-rebound Salvador. Secures the rebound. Meron na lang kayong 45 seconds. 45. Wala. Mark. Wala pa rin. Kurt, basket. 17 to 12, 5-point lead, 33 seconds. 33 seconds na lang tayo. Basket pa. 18 to 12, meron na lang 26 seconds. 24, 22, 21, and 19. Basket. Again, may 16 seconds pa. 13 to 18. Meron pa tayo. 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, game ball.
Init ng laban.